Everyone, always clean your sunroof drain before it happens. Otherwise, you have to pull the seats out, pull the mats out, and work with your plugs. This plug was green. I basically clean it every plug. I take it apart. There's pins on this thing right here, and I remove each wire and clean it individually with these tools and alcohol and this tool right here. I wash everything and drains out now for half a day. Water was here, water was here, water was here, water was everywhere. Am I gonna just leave this out just in case? So this is just preventive video. We watch my other videos or look in to description links for the new video that's coming, how I handle this. I don't know why Mercedes make those things. This was in water too. This element right here was full of water and has something in there. I'm drying out. So you can imagine all this get wet, and they are basically laying inside down here, just at the front like this. Those are cups for them. Thanks for watching, if it helps.